Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a ASEAN Single account. ASEAN Single is an online dating site which helps you to find your perfect match through online. To create an ASEAN Single account, first click on browser. Go to asianandsingle.com, asianandsingle.com. Click on join here button according to your choice. Enter your username, first name, last name, email, confirm your email, select your gender, select your birthday, click on I am not a robot. Here you will be asked to select a photos according to the question. Select a photos according to the question. Click on verify. Click on verify. Click on register. Now your account has been successfully created. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.